Question number 1, Part A. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:5. Part first is show that the triangle is right angled. To show that triangle is a right angled, we have to find its angles. In this triangle, one angle will be 2 over sum of ratio, which is 10, of total angle is 180. 2 over 10 of 180 is 36. One angle in this triangle is of 36 degrees and the other is 3 over 10 of 180. 3 over 10 of 180 is 54. And the third angle is 5 over 10 of 180. 5 over 10 of 180 is 90. So one angle in this triangle is a right angle. So this triangle is right angled. It's part 2. The length of the hypotenuse of the triangle is 12 centimeter. Use trigonometry to calculate the length of the shortest side of this triangle. Length of its hypotenuse is 12 centimeter. To understand this, we will draw our triangle. This is a right angled triangle. Hypotenuse of the triangle is 12 centimeter and we have to calculate length of the shortest side. This side is shortest. Let's say this is x. And the smallest angle is 36 degrees. This side is shortest, so smallest angle will be this one, which is 36 degrees. And we have to calculate value of x. By trigonometry, x over 12 equals sine of 36. And from this, x will be equal to 12 times sine 36. 12 times sine 36 is 7.05. So the shortest side of this triangle is of 7.05 centimeter. Next is part B. The sides of a different right angled triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. Part first is the length of the shortest side is 7.8 centimeter. Calculate the length of the longest side. Shortest side is of 7.8 centimeter and the smallest ratio is 3. So 7.8 over 3. 7.8 over 3 is 2.6. We have to calculate length of the longest side. This will be equal to 2.6 times. The greatest ratio is 5. 2.6 times 5 equals 13. So length of the longest side is 13 centimeter. It's part 2. Calculate the smallest angle in this triangle. To find smallest angle in this triangle, we will draw a right-angled triangle. The longest side has length 13 centimeter and the shortest side is 7.8 centimeter. We have to calculate smallest angle. Smallest angle will be this. Let's say this is theta. So theta will be equal to sine inverse of 7.8 over 13. This is a right angle. Sine inverse of 7.8 over 13, which is 36.87. Correcting to 2 decimal places.